Hey guys, this is Nuki Tanuki, and today I'll be showcasing a way that you can turn any item into a custom weapon with its own durability. Currently we are in Snapshot 18W21B, and today I have for you a data pack and resource pack that allows you to give custom durability to any weapon or item. Now here are 3 custom items I've decided to show off today. Now normally with weapons, you can't reassign their durability beyond a certain point, but with this data pack, you're able to put it to just about any value. Also, you can put durability on just about anything. For example, here we have a battle pie. Now let's take this item out of the chest and see how it has 100 durability on it. Let's summon in a husk. We'll give them a couple of whacks. Now it's got 2 less. So, you can do this with unbreakable items too, which means you can retexture them into all these lovely different textures. And I'll include these inside the resource pack too, so that you can play around with them if you want. You might also be wondering if enchantments like Unbreaking and Mending work with this data pack. And the answer is yes. So let's give this sword Unbreaking 3. Now let's summon in a husk. Let's summon in 2, just for good measure. See, the durability is now 99 instead of 96. Let's try out Mending now. So we'll take a Mending book and apply it to a new sword. And see how it has 100 durability right now? Let's take some bottles of enchanting. We'll throw a couple down, walk into the XP. Now it has 114. As a quick side note, if you have Mending on an item, the durability will max out at the max durability you set. So let's just try out some more stuff with these swords. Let's give ourselves another custom sword. Let's equip it. Here we've got Sweeping Edge 3. Let's just stick that on there. We'll stick Sharpness 5 for good measure too. Now let's summon a horde of husks. Good. Oh, fell in the water. Nope. 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 Too many. Alright. 4 more to go. There we go. Now we got it down to 97 durability. So let's go into an example of how to use a give function and a loot table for your own custom items. We're now in Notepad++, so we can write out our command. So we've got give @p Minecraft Diamond Sword, and we'll want to give it an unbreakable tag. I've given this a damage tag, but you don't need this. You do need this tag though, this custom weapon 1B. Next we have 3 attribute modifiers. The first one needs to have the attribute name of custom.durability. This is also one of the tags you need for this data pack to work. And our name can be anything, so we'll call it durability. Then the operation should be 0. The UUID least, we'll set it to 1. Now our UUID most will be 2. Then the slot we'll say is main hand. Then for the amount, let's say 200. For our second attribute modifier, we'll give it an attribute name of custom.max durability. Now it's very important that custom.durability is your first attribute and custom.max durability is your second. So now let's give the name. We'll say max durability, then an operation. On this one, it needs to be 0. Now we'll need to put a UUID least and a UUID most. And we'll give it a slot, say main hand, and for the amount, we'll say 400. The last attribute is completely optional, but I want to give it a generic attack damage attribute, so we'll go generic.attack damage. And then we'll do that for the attribute name too. And we'll say the operation is 0. And UUID least 1. UUID most 1. We'll set that to 3 actually. Then we'll have the slot, the main hand, and the amount we'll set to 10. We're back in our little world here, so let's copy and paste our command into a command block. There we go. And as you can see here, we've got our 200 durability, our 400 max durability, and our 10 attack damage. Next, let's go over how to create a loot table. Here I've got a basic loot table setup with pools and roles. And for our entry, we want our type to be item. Then we want the name to be Minecraft Diamond Sword. We'll have its weight. Have the weight be 1. Then let's give it the functions it needs. We're going to give this 3 different functions. For our first function, we'll want it to be a set NBT function. So let's go function set NBT, and we'll go tag say we want to give it the same tags. We want it to be unbreakable. We'll have the damage be 0. No, let's set it to 1. Then we'll need the custom weapon tag, just like before. Next up, let's put in a set name function. Sure, why not? So function set name. Then let's have the name. This needs to be in raw JSON thanks to 1.13's changes. We'll do text. We'll call it the Mob Slayer. And let's give it a color too. We'll go color, let's say light purple. Lastly, we'll want the set attributes function. So let's say function set attributes. And for its modifiers, just like before, you want 3. Okay, for the first one, we'll set its name to durability. And the attribute needs to be custom.durability. Next, the operation needs to be addition. And for the amount, for the loot table, we can actually set a min and a max. So let's do that. Let's set our min to, let's set it all the way to 1. And we'll give a max of 1000. And our slot is going to be main hand. There we go. Next, we'll want to do the same thing for our max durability. Name. Max durability. Attribute. Custom.max durability. And for the operation, we'll have it set to addition. And for the amount, we'll just say 1000. And of course the slot should be main hand. lastly, we'll give it an attack damage. So we'll go name, attack damage, attribute, generic dot attack damage, the operation will have the addition. Oops. Let's do that over. Then the amount, let's give it 10. And the slot, say main hand. Alright, let's test out our loot table. Alright, we're back in our little world here. We're going to set block here. The loot table, custom durability, new_2. That's where I saved it to. But before we do that, we'll need to reload. So it's reloading now. Now let's see if this loot table works. And there we have it. Everything works. It's named the Mob Slayer. And let's go test it out. See if we got all the right tags on it. And it works. So that is how you create your own custom weapons. As a quick final addition to the data pack, I've created the ability to make custom armor too. So here you can see we've got a custom chest plate, custom helmet, custom leggings, custom boots. And I'm going to go over how to create these in the loot table again since we just got into that. And these will automatically decrease in durability when you get hit. Back in our loot table, and we only need to change one tag in order for this to be compatible with armor pieces. And it's this custom weapon tag. You'll want to change it to helmet, boots, leggings, or chest plate, respectively. So let's set it to helmet. Then we'll set the item to diamond helmet. We'll save that. Let's see what it looks like in our world. So we're back in our world, and let's see if this loot table worked. And there we go, we've got a custom helmet. Let's put that on. And then let's test it out by going into game mode survival. Currently it's at 8:13. Yep, it looks like it's working. I've also added another couple useful features. If you set the max durability attribute operation to multiply base, or operation 1 in give commands, it will automatically set the max durability to the same amount as your regular durability. So you can use this to auto set your max durability and not have it be different from your regular durability. The second feature I've added is if you set it to multiply total, the data pack will take the difference between your durability and max durability, and it will randomize a number between the two. And that's operation 2 in a give command. So you can use this to automatically set max durability without having the max durability amount go under the regular durability amount. So let's say the regular durability was 100. Let's say your max durability was set to 1000. It would automatically randomize a number between 100 and 1000 to assign to your custom weapon. And that's going to do it for this episode. Links for the data pack are in the description, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. Thanks for watching. This has been Mookie Tanuki, and I'll see you all next time.